everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about Gua Sha, and also I will demonstrate to you how I use Gua Sha. If you guys don't know what it is, it's a traditional Chinese medicine tool. It has many health benefits and it can actually be used all over your body, but today I will be showing you how I use it on my face because it can have amazing results on depuffing your face, reducing wrinkles and just toning your skin. So if you guys are interested, then keep watching. So what is Gua Sha? Gua Sha is a scraping tool that we use to stimulate microcirculation of the soft tissue on our skin. By those strokes, we will increase blood circulation, we will bring blood to our surface of our skin. This will help renewal of our skin and elasticity of our skin. Also, if you do believe in traditional Chinese medicine, Gua Sha can also help you to make qi flow in the right direction, which is just a stagnant energy in our body. Also, people believe that this is what is responsible for a lot of inflammations in our body. But just to point out a few benefits of Gua Sha, it will help you reduce your dark circles, it will help you with puffiness, it will help you with any sagginess of your skin, it will definitely make your skin smoother, it can also actually help with acne and rosacea. Make sure that you never ever use this tool over any very inflamed areas, any scars, if you have any open wounds, any raised veins, nothing like that. I am definitely a big believer in face massage in general, but the reason why Gua Sha can be a great addition to your skincare routine is because of course it will cover more area of your face, and also sometimes if you have nails like I do at the moment, it can scratch your skin and it will not apply as even pressure as Gua Sha will do. When it comes to the face, Gua Sha can be applied a few different ways. The way that I will be demonstrating it today, we will be doing massaging motions, like lifting motions, but we will also go through a few acupressure points because different pressure points are actually connected to different organs in our body. And I also wanted to show you the tools that I have. I have two different ones. One is made of jade stone and one of made is ceramic. And traditionally the Gua Sha was made of both, and sometimes they would actually use ceramic spoons, and it really is up to you what kind of tool you want to be using. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them on Cold Beauty. The ceramic one that I have is from Dragon's Acupuncture. I really like that one because this one is a bit like thicker, so sometimes I find it easier to hold in my hand, but also as you can see this little knots here, sometimes I prefer using this one around my chin and around my nose area. The jade one that I have came in a little pouch like this, and I think I ordered it on Amazon. I will leave the links to the tools that I have below. And the ceramic one actually came in like a little velvet pouch and also a cute little bag, which is super cute and just much better to store because they do need to be stored properly, otherwise they might break. I will start by putting a headband on my face, and I also wanted to say that while we will be doing this massage, we will also be doing more of a lymphatic drainage massage. And if you have watched my lymphatic drainage massage for your body and dry brushing, you will know that I do it weekly and how many different benefits it can have for your face, because obviously when we massage, we move stagnant lymph on our face and on our body, and we try to get rid of those toxins and get them flushed out of our system. And the way we do it is we always massage towards our lymphatic nodes or lymphatic ducts, and there are two of them here, and if we apply pressure in the right points, then we will encourage that lymphatic fluid to move in the right direction. Never put it at an angle like this, otherwise this will create too much pressure and actually can damage your skin or cause like broken capillaries. Either use it in a flat way if you can, or at a 30-degree angle. So this is what we are aiming for. So we're going to start by prepping our skin, and it is very important to create a little bit of a slip for the tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is use a facial spray. This is just to lock a bit of moisture in, and I'm just going to press it with my hands into my skin. And now I'm going to apply oil, and I'm going to be using the Omorovisa Miracle Facial Oil, but whatever oil that you want to use that you know that your skin likes and doesn't break you out. Need about 4 to 5 drops of it. Easiest thing to do, if you want to apply it evenly, spread it on your hands and then apply it all over your face and your neck. The first thing we're going to do is warm up the lymphatic drain by our collarbone. So I'm going to use the curved edge of my tool, and I'm going to place it just underneath my jaw and under my ear. And I'm going to try and keep it as flat as I can. And I'm going to go down to the collarbone, and we are going to repeat that motion 3 to 5 times. The reason why we're doing this is, just like I explained earlier, we are warming up the drainage path so that the toxins can get out of our body, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. The next thing that I like to do is actually go over my shoulders and a little bit more on my neck. I'm going to place the tool on the shoulder where my shoulder meets my arm, and I'm going to place it flat. And what I'm going to do is go upwards towards my ear. You can also give yourself a little massage by wiggling the tool when you get to your ear. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So place it on your shoulder. And the last movement that I like to do on my neck is if you take your hand and place it on your sternum, so between your collarbones, and you take the edged side of the tool and you make it meet your fingers, and then in a light motion you're just gonna go up and meet your chin. Next, we're going to move on to our face, and I like to start with my forehead, so we're going to work on our forehead wrinkles. And I'm going to use this curved side of my Gua Sha, and I'm going to place it in the middle of my forehead, and keeping it quite flat, I'm going to scrape towards my hairline. And we're going to do this 3 to 5 times. And then you can go a bit lower and do the same. Now I'm gonna put my fingers between my brows, and applying a very light pressure, I am gonna put my Gua Sha just onto my fingers, and I'm gonna stroke up towards my hairline. This is amazing if you hold a lot of tension between your brows. I do. I always frown. The next thing we're going to do is place your fingers on your closed eye. Be very, very gentle there. We're just holding the skin so it doesn't pull. And I'm going to take the curved edge of my Gua Sha and place it on my brow. And with very, very light pressure, I'm going to go towards my hairline. Next, we're going to do our brow, and what I'm going to do is put 2 fingers between my brows just to support the skin there, and then we're going to take this curved edge and place it by our fingers. You can close your eyes if you want, and in a very light stroke we're going to go over our brow and a little bit up towards our hairline. You can give it a little massage when you get there. Just go a bit up. Next we're going to do our eye. But don't forget that the skin around our eyes is very delicate and thin. So don't pull it. Don't cause yourself any uncomfortable feelings or any pain. So I'm going to use the longer edge of my Gua Sha tool. And I'm going to place it in the inner corner of my eye. And with very light feather-like pressure, I'm going to go over my brow bone. And go into the inner corner and then up on the temple towards my hairline. When you're in the inner corner and outer corner, you can apply a very slight pressure because this is the acupressure points as well. So a little pressure here. You can even give it a little bit of a circular motion. Then we're going to go over our brow bone. Circular motion here and upwards towards our hairline, and we're going to repeat that 3 to 5 times. This is amazing for puffiness around your eyes, for dark circles, for sagging skin, for crow's feet. And well, also it's just very relaxing. And now we're going to do our under eye area. So I'm going to go in the inner corner and very lightly. I'm going to stop here for a little circle motion massage. I'm going to go up on my temple towards my hairline. For the cheeks, we're going to do 2 different strokes, and both of them are amazing to tighten the cheeks, to make the cheekbones more prominent, but also to reduce the smile lines around our mouth. The first stroke is going to start in the middle of our nose, and I'm going to place this curved edge of our tool right there. You can also put your finger there, just not to pull the skin. And we're going to go in an upward motion across our cheek. And we will end at the temple. So it's going to go upward towards our hairline. Try to keep your tool as flat as you can. The second stroke is going to start at the base of our nose, and I'm going to place the curved edge of the tool right there, and we are gonna go right underneath our cheekbone and go in an upwards motion. To further help those smile lines, we're gonna go with the curved edge of the tool, and we're gonna start just on our cupid's bow right there. So I'm going to place the curved edge there. Again, you can place your fingers on the other side and glide outwards to the end at the corner of the mouth. You can also continue from the corner of your mouth towards your ear. Now we are going to tighten our chin area, and again with the curved edge of our tool, I'm going to place it on the middle of my chin, and from the center of the chin we're going to go upwards and end at where your chewing muscle is. And this is when it's great to stop at the chewing muscle and give it a bit of a massage. Because if you grind your teeth at night, if you have tight muscles around your chin and on your jaw, this is a great time to give it a bit of a massage. Or maybe if you clench your teeth at night. Now we're gonna do our jaw, and I'm gonna use the notched edge of our tool and just place either edge on the either side of your jaw and keeping it as flat as you can. Also apply your fingers just in the middle for support, and we are gonna go in an upwards motion along our jawline towards our ear. Here you just need to follow the angle of your jaw. You can definitely flip your tool and figure out which way you prefer it. Also different tools have different shapes. So let's do the other side. I'm gonna place my fingers on my eye, and I'm gonna go in an upwards motion towards my hairline 3 to 5 times. Now I'm gonna go over my brow, place the Gua Sha next to my fingers in a very light motion. I'm gonna go over my brow, upwards towards my temple and my hairline. Normally I just use one Gua Sha tool, not two, but today I just wanted to demonstrate to you that you can absolutely use differently shaped tools. Now we are going to go onto the eye, into the inner corner of my eye, give it a bit of slight pressure and a massage, go onto my brow bone. Stop here for a quick massage and go in an upwards motion towards my hairline. Now we're going to go to the under eye area. Now we're going to move on to our cheeks, and first we're going to start in the middle of our nose. And now we are going to go at the base of our nose, and we are going to go under the cheekbone. Now we're going to move to mouth, and we're going to start in the middle. We're going to go around our mouth to the corner of our mouth, and then we can go towards our ear. Now we are going to go at the center of our chin, and we are going to end at where our chewing muscle is. And give it a wiggle. Now we are going to use this fork side of the tool to fit into the jaw and go all across our jawline. And now we are going to wash our tools. I just like to use some soap, but you can also clean your Gua Sha tool with some alcohol solution. Your face should feel slightly warm and might be a bit red, but that is absolutely fine. Also make sure you have a large glass of water after this, just to help to drain the toxins further. So you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something new. If you will try Gua Sha after this video, let me know. I will be very happy if you do, and let me know if you already use Gua Sha. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. If you have any other questions related to this video or not, pop them in the comment section below and I will happily answer them. And I love you all very much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!